because I got a live demo here, and I want to kind of take everything we talked about and take it to even another level of automation. And I'll show you this in real time of what this actually looks like. All right, so we're going to get this started, and this will be basically, I'll set up the scenario for this so you kind of get an idea of what this is all about. And what we're doing here is, let's say it's Friday night. It's, 8:30 p.m. You're off the clock. You're not answering any calls, and a homeowner notices a crack in their foundation, and they Google you, and they find your number, and they call you. Most contractors would probably miss this call, or otherwise it would go to the voicemail, or worse, no one even follows up at all. But instead, with AI, this is what would happen. I'm going to play with you a recording from an AI answering this phone call. They're going to qualify the lead. They're going to send them a booking link and book with them on the phone. And then I'll show you what that actual lead looks like when it's captured and scheduled without a human even stepping into this. So let's get this going and press play and see what happens in this phone call. And let's say it's the weekend and someone's calling your business. They go to your website, they click call, and then it starts this process.
Hi, thanks for calling Foundational Marketing Hub. This is Anna. Can I get your name and what services you're calling about today?
Hi, my name is Seth, and I'm just calling to see what Foundational Marketing Hub does.
Foundational Marketing Hub is a digital marketing agency that works exclusively with foundation repair and waterproofing contractors. We help businesses attract high-quality leads, book more jobs, and grow revenue using proven strategies tailored to this niche. Our services include custom-built websites, SEO, Google Ads, Facebook ads, and automated email SMS follow-ups, all managed in one streamlined system called Client Maximize. This platform gives you real-time access to your leads, campaign performance, and communication history, so nothing slips through the cracks. We handle everything behind the scenes. No tech headaches, no guesswork, and no wasted time. If you're looking for more leads and better marketing without managing it all yourself, we're here to help. Does that answer your question, or is there something specific you'd like to know?
I was just curious if this was right for our business and what we're doing.
Got it, Seth. To make sure this is a good fit, can I ask what type of services your business offers? Do you focus on foundation repair, basement waterproofing, both, or something else?
Oh, we do foundation repair and basement waterproofing.
Thanks for sharing that. Since you handle both foundation repair and basement waterproofing, our services could definitely align with your business. What's been your biggest challenge lately with marketing or getting leads for these services?
Generally speaking, we're having issues with paid ads. We're not getting a ton of leads from that, and that's the only source of leads. And we want to kind of add in an SEO element of trying to show up on Google.
Got it, Seth. It sounds like you're relying heavily on paid ads, but not seeing the return you'd like. And you're looking to diversify with SEO to improve your visibility on Google. That's a smart move. Combining paid ads with strong SEO can really help you capture both immediate and long-term leads. Most of our contractors start with a quick 15-minute discovery call where we review your website, your current lead sources, and map out growth opportunities. Would you like me to schedule one for you?
Yeah.
Here are some available slots for a discovery call. On Thursday, September 11th at 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., or 2 p.m. On Friday, September 12th at 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m., or 3:30 p.m. Do any of these times work for you?
Let's do Thursday at 1:30 p.m.
To confirm your booking for Thursday at 1:30 p.m., I'll need your email address to send the appointment details. Could you please provide that?
Yeah, it's help@foundationalmarketinghub.com.
You're all set, Seth. Your discovery call is confirmed for Thursday, September 11th at 1:30 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with the details. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
I think that's about it.
Great. Thanks for calling, Seth. Have a wonderful day.
One word right there. Wow, that's incredible. This actually got my name, qualified the lead to make sure that I was a, actual foundation repair and basement waterproofing business. Once it discovered that, then it introduced the idea of the discovery call, which is what we do for our business. And then after that, it books the call. And I'm going to show you some metrics on the next slide that shows you what happened in the back office of things. This is incredible. I love this. So, put a 1 in the chat if you actually liked seeing that live right there. That's really good stuff right there. That alone is a game changer for a business. I can just see all the use cases for all my clients when they see stuff like this. It blows them away. This is just really real gold is that you're now a 24/7 business now with them being able to answer these calls and book appointments. And it checked my appointment too. It looked at my calendar and found dates and time that worked and booked it there. Incredible. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you to show you the power of exactly where this voice AI and where AI in general is going and how it can help offload some of this work from you so you can save some more time. So let's do a recap here again. So what just happened there, which it literally took under 3 minutes, the AI answered the phone like a real human. It gathered the lead's information, it asked the right questions, it sent a follow-up message to me. You can see it entered in all my information here, my first name, email, and then it got a booking link and it scheduled it automatically. So this lead literally went from cold to booked without anyone picking up the phone. This is what I mean whenever you have your marketing and your follow-up handled 24/7. This is what I'm talking about. And this is what's possible when you stop relying just on voicemail and you start putting AI to work for your business. Now imagine this happening 10 or 15 or 20 times a month, and you didn't have to even lift a finger, and some of those turn into book jobs that actually paid your company and you make revenue off of that. You can see here it created the new appointment, it sent out the confirmation email, and just let me know as well, hey Seth, you just got someone that scheduled a confirmation, so it'll let you know as the business owner via email as well. That's the power of this stuff. It's incredible. I see this and I just get real excited because I love this kind of stuff. Really good information here, really good stuff.